Students, my name is Yogandra Kumar, lecturer from GL University Mathura, Department of Mechanical Engineering, University of Polytechnic. So today I am going to discuss about the basic important topic of welding, that is laser beam welding, and their principle and their advantage. So you know that I am Yogandra Kumar. Laser beam welding. Laser beam welding is a technique in manufacturing where two or more pieces of material are joined by together through use of laser beam. Laser beam means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It is a non-contact process that required access to the weld zone from one side of part being welded. The weld is formed as the intense layer light rapidly hits the material, typically calculated in milliseconds. The laser beam is a coherent light of a single wavelength. The laser beam has low beam divergence and high energy content that thus will create heat when it strike on a surface. Like this. Here you can see the diagram or the arrangement of laser beam welding, in which we are using a ruby crystal for laser beam, and a lens is used to strike the rays or a welded area, so that we can weld the surface or we can heat the surface where we want to join. And similarly, that is very important, or that is very simple type welding. The primary types of lasers used in welding and cutting are: number one is gas lasers. So generally in gas lasers we are using helium and nitrogen gases, and also we can use CO2, carbon dioxide gases. Okay, so these lasers are used a low current high voltage power source to excite the gas mixture using a laser medium. Operate in pulsed or continuous mode. The carbon dioxide lasers use a mixture of high purity carbon dioxide with helium and nitrogen as a laser lasing medium. CO2 lasers are also used in dual beam laser welding, where the beam is split into two equal power beams. And second one is solid state lasers. Solid state lasers are generally used for operate at 1 micrometer wavelength. They can be pulsed or operate continuously. Pulsed operation produced joints similar to spot weld, but with complete penetration. The pulse energy is 1 to 100 joule. The pulse time is 1 to 10 milliseconds. Layers are used for material that difficult to weld using other methods for hard and also for brittle metals. Access area for extremely small components. Inner gas shielded is needed for the more reactive materials. Laser beam welding is a welding process that produces coalescence of materials with the heat obtained from the application of concentrate coherent line beam impinging upon the surface to be joined. What are the difference between laser beam welding and arc welding? So basically, laser beam welding energy transfer is a different than arc welding process. In laser beam welding, the absorption of energy by a material is affected by many factors such as the type of laser, incident power density, and the base material surface condition. The laser output is not electrical in nature, and does not require a flow of electrical current. So this eliminates any other effect of magnetism and doesn't limit the process to electricity conductive materials. The laser can interact with any material. It doesn't require a vacuum, and it does not produce X-rays. So what are the metal to be joined with the help of laser weldings? So these are carbon steel, aluminum, titanium, low alloy and steel, nickel, platinum, molybdenum, cobar. So these metals can be joined with the help of laser welding. So laser mates weld made in these materials are similar in quality to weld made in the same materials by electrical beam process. What are the advantages of laser beam welding? So there are basically advantage are work with high alloy metals without difficulty, can be used in open air, can be transmitted over long distance with a minimum loss of power, narrow heat affected zone, low total thermal inputs, weld dissimilar metals, no flare metals required, no secondary finishing required, extremely accurate, produce deep and narrow welds, low distortion in welds, high quality welds, and can be welded in small components also. No contact with materials. What are the limitations of laser beam welding? The rapid cooling rate may cause cracking in some metals, high capital cost for equipment, optical surface of the laser are easily damaged, and high maintenance cost. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will understand the laser beam welding, and if you have any query then watch it again. Thank you.